Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and today we're doing a cute upcycling project. So today we're going to be taking an old sofa slipcover and turning it into a throw pillow. I really love this project because it's super functional, and who doesn't want new throw pillows? So all you'll need to start this project is some old fabric covers, a throw pillow, a sewing machine, scissors, chalk, pins which are optional, and a measuring tape. So the first step you'll need to do is measure out your throw pillow. So you're going to take your measuring tape and measure the center width and the center height. Mine's 15 inches on both sides. If you want it to be a little bit looser of a cover, you can add half an inch on each side. I like mine to be snug, so I'm just going to stick with 15 inches. Now, I'm going to take my old fabric covers and I'm going to cut 15 by 15 in two pieces. So I've drawn out my outline of my pillow, and now I've folded my fabric in half, so I only have to cut it once. I'm going to take some pins and pin on the inside of the outline just to help me keep my fabric straight while I'm cutting. So I just finished cutting. I'm going to take out my pins. So now that we have our two pieces, we're going to flip them inside out, and we are going to lay them together, and we're going to be sewing three sides together and leaving one open. To help me with that, I'm going to be pinning the covers and leaving about a half an inch allowance for my gaps. I recommend lining the edge of your fabric to the edge of the foot of your sewing machine. This just helps you keep a straight line. Now that we've sewn three sides, we're going to take the last side, the opening, and we're going to sew about halfway down. It'll just be a lot easier for when we stuff the pillow in. So now that we have our covers pretty much almost done, we're going to flip it right side out. Just grab a corner and pull it. And then you can pop up the outer corners as well. It just makes it easier as you're putting the pillows inside. We're going to take our throw pillow and fold it in half, and then take the little opening and put it inside. This will work a lot easier if you're using a throw pillow that's a little bit softer. So you just kind of put it all inside. So we're at the final step, and all we're going to be doing is sewing the opening shut with a visible stitch. So now we've gotten to the very end, and once you get to this part, you'll just tuck in the corner, take the rest of your thread, do a knot, and then pull your needle through to an opposite end and pull. Now just cut this edge off and you're done. So there you have it, your very own throw pillow cover. They're great to add dimension and texture or color to any living room or living space. Let us know what projects you want to see from us next, and thank you for watching.